Want.
Okay. My name is Brittany Vandervoort, and I work here in the BioTech lab at JCC. We have 15 different projects going on right now. Anything from RNA cancer studies to mosquitoes and malaria and Lyme disease. The program here is really awesome. We have opportunities here that a lot of places don't have. We had a $500,000 in equipment here in the lab. In other labs at like four-year schools, a lot of them don't have as much equipment as we do. So it's just great to have. We learn a lot. Oh my god.
That was good.
Okay.
So you learn a lot, and so then we can pick it up from just kind of work your way into the Boston trip.
Okay.
I don't know how you
Okay.
that started or whatever.
Okay.
So you learn a lot.
Yeah, we learn a lot here. We have opportunities to learn with lots of equipment that a lot of places don't have, which makes it hard to decide what school we want to go to next from here, because we want to continue doing the research that we do, and you don't get these kind of opportunities at every school. Even when we went to the American Association of Immunologists conference in Boston a few weeks ago, and we were talking with some biotech companies there and other researchers and telling them our research and what we were working on, and a lot of people were shocked that we were only undergrad students in a community college and not graduate students or just even in a four-year program.
Then you can say why you're glad that you went to JCC.
Okay. I'm glad I chose to go to JCC because when I first came here, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I just knew it was something like this. And then I found the BioTech program, and I called Dr. Chrisman, and she was so enthusiastic about the program and so ready to take anybody on who wanted to do it. She made me so excited about doing research, and so I enrolled in the BioTech program, and I've learned so much since I've been here. You pretty much are thrown in the fire in the lab. Like, when you start, you have no real concept of what you're about to do, and you start doing it, and you're like, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? And then you just learn by doing it. It's not, oh, well, we'll talk about it first and then do it. It's you just do it, and that's how you learn how to do it, and it's a great way to learn. I mean, at first I was really scared, but it's been awesome. I've learned so much here, and I just want to continue doing research.
Awesome.
Oh, okay, sure. We're collecting mosquitoes. We're actually testing for malaria in the area. We're also going to be getting some primers for West Nile. That is prevalent in the area. Most people have forgotten about it by now. But we do see a lot of bird deaths associated with West Nile virus. But we're doing an all-around mosquito study to see if, mainly we're doing the malaria study to make sure that we are malaria-free. But it does happen around this area. It's rare, but it does happen. So we're setting these traps. They're called resting boxes. They actually will rest on the inside of these, and we'll come along and I'll collect the traps in a few weeks, and then we're going to do genetic studies on the mosquitoes and see what pathogens are carrying and all. So
Okay.
pretty neat.
Say that one more time. Sorry, I wasn't recording.
We're trying to incorporate more environmental studies into the biotechnology program. So one of very, very many actually we've implemented, including the KED flies that Katie's working on, doing Lyme disease, and see, we're doing coyote studies soon.
That.
Yep, we're doing the scat studies on the white-tailed deer.
For the. What are you even looking for?
What's that?
What are you even looking for in the white tail?
Remember we're comparing.
So you can start whenever you're ready, and you got, I think, 6 minutes now.
Okay. All right. I'm James Salomon. I'm a sophomore in the BioTech program. Let's see. I mainly do breast cancer research in the lab. When I first came here, I had no idea really what I wanted to do. But then I stumbled upon the BioTech program, and it kind of took me right by the throat pretty quick. I can definitely say that it has changed my whole focus in academia. Science itself is a lot of fun, and to be able to utilize the tools that we have in such a way really helps propel budding scientific minds. Let's see. I think all the instructors here are wonderfully supportive. We have a great biology department all around. Our chemistry department is amazing. And these new facilities really allow us to learn in amazing ways. We have, in the biotech program alone, equipment that matches most labs in the country for state-of-the-art instruments. We have wonderful programs that help analyze data. Let's see. I guess another main point we should hit is the fact that the small classroom sizes really do help the one-on-one interactions between the students and teachers. And you get a very hands-on approach to learning science. And science is changing every day, like it has been for the last, few centuries. But now it's changing logarithmically, where you need the tools in order to study science. And since we have the tools and people who are available to teach how to use at such an early time, you're looking, most research starts senior year of college. We're starting day one of your freshman year. You get the chance to learn how to work in a lab, how to become acclimated into working in a laboratory setting. And I think that is a very important thing that places like Jamestown Community College are doing right now. The real important thing that I guess I want to stress now is the fact that we do have an amazing doctor. Dr. Kurzman knows what she's doing. She's been in the field for a number of years, doing the research that we are working on now. Not the exact research, but the same procedures and stuff. And she is able to show us from her experience how to get things done and get results. So with the 15 projects we have going on right now, everyone is able to learn at their own pace, but it's a quick, accelerated pace for everybody. But everyone has a chance to find their speed, and that's nice. I guess the other thing I can say is I just had